talk about period pain, right? Why does it happen?
So, period pain is due to hormones, just like anything during our menstrual cycle. You have increased muscular contractions. I used to be an athlete, and a lot of athletic women will feel this, that during their menstrual cycle or just before, they'll start to have more contraction of their muscles. So sometimes they'll have muscle aches, increased muscle aches. Sometimes they'll cramp their muscles easily. For the woman that isn't regularly using their muscles as much, they'll feel that right in their abdomen, their lower abdominal area. So this is due to contractions of the uterus.
Mm-hmm.
As because the hormones are triggering this event.
Yeah. Okay. So the question is, how then can it be managed? What do we do?
Yeah, it can be managed. Of course, you can temporarily manage it. Absolutely. You can temporarily manage it with anti-inflammatories, whether that's natural anti-inflammatories or if you want to get a prescription or even over-the-counter meds. You can definitely manage it by applying a hot or cold compress on there.
Okay.
So usually a hot one works really, really well for women. Cold is great, but cold doesn't feel as good as a hot or warm compress. And so I tell ladies, don't just work on the short-term gains that you can get, but come up with a long-term solution. Prevent the cramps from coming in the first place. And so another thing that I highly suggest is the use of castor oil packs. Castor oil packs can temporarily, but then they also have a long-term effect. So if you have some castor oil, you can get a cotton flannel. You put the castor oil on the cotton flannel, and then you put it on your lower cramp area. This is great to do maybe like a week before you know that your period is going to start, or right when you start having like PMS symptoms. So you put that on there, and then you can put a heating pad on there. And then if you can lay there for 45 minutes, that'd be great. If you can do that the days leading up to your period, then that prevents the cramps from coming. But then it can also provide a more long-term solution because it could detoxify some of the issues that are going on there. So that's a big one. So if you're in the middle of your period right now and you're in pain, like right now, yes, you can apply you can take some anti-inflammatories, some pain meds, apply a hot or cold compress. But if you know that your period's coming, then I suggest that you use castor oil.
Okay. And I will
for fertility as well. It's a big thing that I teach people to help them get pregnant if you're having fertility issues.
Lovely. And you know what? I will back you up on that hot compress thing. I know that whenever I have period pain and I use a hot water bottle, it really tones it down, like way, way, way down. So yeah, I recommend it too. And I will definitely try the castor oil thing for next time.